Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DK. We are having referral alert from Siemens company. It is looking to hire for 3 roles: software developer, AI engineer, and ML engineer. So, and another hiring update from Techolution. So this company is looking to hire for Python intern. So it's a freshers hiring, guys. They mentioned officially in LinkedIn. So after the video, if you are interested and eligible, quickly apply for this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. It is a referral alert. Means they will close quickly. So if you are interested and eligible, don't miss this opportunity. So without lagging, let us get into the video. So guys, here you can see one of the employee at Siemens company have updated officially in LinkedIn. Like he is a ML engineer at a Siemens company, Himanshu Shukla. He mentioned that Siemens is hiring for 3 roles. Roles are like a software developer at Chennai location, AI engineer at Gurugram location, AI or ML engineer at Pune locations. So one role is for freshers and other 2 are for experienced hiring. So here you can see software developer. For software developer required skills Python and AI. It's a freshers hiring, and Chennai is the location, guys. ID also they have provided here. And for AI engineer 3+ years of experience can required, and Gurugram is the location. ID also they mentioned here. And for AI or ML engineer 3+ years of experience required, and Pune is the location. ID also they mention here. For Pune they mention AI or ML, and for Gurugram only one role, that is AI engineer. So these are the 3 roles. So if you are interested in any one of these roles, you can DM him, Himanshu Shukla, for referrals. He will react for your message. Don't miss this opportunity. First of all, you have to connect with this person, so then only you can DM him. And it's still many of the people reacting for this post. Here you can see they are showing their interest toward this opportunity. Some of the people interested in software developer and AI engineer and other opportunities. So these are one of the great update from this company, guys. If you are interested toward this opportunity, don't miss it. Second great update from Techolution. So this is also official hiring update from LinkedIn. Like they mentioned officially in LinkedIn, they are hiring for Python intern. It is a paid internship, guys. Duration is 6 months. Opportunity paid internship plus pre-placement offer. They are providing pre-placement offer. Location is Hyderabad. Start date is immediate joiner. So if you are passionate about backend development and looking to work on real-time project, don't miss this opportunity. So required skills: strong proficiency in fast API and Flask frameworks, solid understanding of microservices architecture, problem solving mindset, logical thinking, good knowledge of time complexity optimization, and proficient in using Git version control. And also you should have working experience with the databases SQL or no SQL. Reading, understanding of multi-threading in Python. So these are the required skills they mentioned here. So if you are interested, you can send your resume to aishwarya.ganesh@techolution.com. Apply link also they mentioned here, guys. So these are the main details. If you are interested, don't miss this opportunity. I will mention link in the description so that you can apply. Don't miss it.